Well, welcome back to Channel On. Today I'm going to show you real quick these little picture hangers here. I picked these up a while ago and I've been using them all over the house. This one here has two different weight limits to it. We have a 50-pound and a 35-pound. And really the only difference is one of them is a bit heavy dutier than the other one. That's the only difference. And what's nice about these is you don't need any tools. You just kind of push these into the sheetrock, twist it up like this, and you end up with a nice little hook. So first thing you need to do is you need to find a place where you're going to put the picture. Now you can do one or two things. You can just kind of hit the wall like this to try to find where it's kind of echoing, so to speak. And when you get to a stud, it's kind of more dense. Or you can just use a stud finder like this. This is a Craftsman stud finder. You just put it up there like this, push the button, and you're going to move it until you've come to a stud. So there's a stud there, and there's a stud there. So I know in this area here I can hang the picture. So then all you need to do is just take the little hook, figure out where you want it. I'm going to put it right about there. And you're just going to push that in there like this. You know, you're actually like drilling a little hole into the sheetrock like that. And then all you need to do is just kind of push it in like that, pull it down, and there you go. You've got a nice little hook to hang off there. And apparently you can hang 35 pounds off that. The picture that I'm going to be hanging is not 35 pounds. So then, just go ahead and take your picture that you're going to be hanging, like that, center it, and there you go. I mean, how long did that take? That's real time right there. So just remember that, you know, if you buy these, just find the ones that you're going to get both of the weights to it, so to speak. So the 50-pound and the 35-pound, in case you want to hang something really heavy duty. Well, that's really all there is to it, so I hope that helps, and stay tuned for the next one.